Hey y'all, it's Mr. Patient on Heritage Homestead Journey. I've got a project that I'm working on today that's a little more fun, so you guys hang around, see what we got going on. So today what I'm working on is we've got a logo that we're going to put on the back of the RV. And we got this logo from our friends over at Sticking to the Road. This is a business that they do as their full-time RVing, is making logos and decals for people to be able to put on their RVs, or really anybody can use them. So what we actually have is a Heritage Ways logo that we're putting up here, because Heritage Ways was the first channel that we had on YouTube. We kind of look at it as the mothership, and Heritage Homestead Journey that you're seeing this video on is basically just walking life with the Heritage Ways family. Heritage Ways is our bigger channel, so that's why we're putting a Heritage Ways logo up here, because at this point we don't even have a logo for Heritage Homestead Journey. So like I said, we got this, bought it off the internet, found out about this guy through Instagram, Sticking to the Road. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and work on getting this put up. So the first thing I'm going to do is take alcohol and a rag, and I'm going to clean the area where I'm going to put it. That way it gets any kind of debris, any kind of dirt, any oils that could possibly be on the RV off. That way the logo will stick well. And then after I get that done, then I'm going to work on getting the logo centered over this window where I want it here. And then we also have a Instagram and a YouTube logo that we're going to put up here as well, so that people will see those and they'll be like, oh hey, I can go to Instagram or YouTube to see these guys. So that's what we're going to do, so let's get started. There you go. So we have our logo with our YouTube and Instagram icons up on the back of the RV now, so that when we're driving down the road, or we're parked in an RV park or campground or state park or wherever, people can see that and they'll be like, hey, I'm gonna go check them out. So it was not hard to put up. Bruce and Holly over at Sticking to the Road, thank you very much. They gave detailed instructions with the logo, but he also had on his website a video of him showing the process of putting one up on his RV. So if you follow the process that he has set forth to do this, this was very easy. Really the hardest thing I had to deal with was because of the size. I did actually cut it into 3 different sections, but the size of it and making sure I had my measurements before I got up here to put it up to get it centered on the back of the RV, that was really the hardest part. But once I got it up here and started putting it on and peeling the backer off and then peeling the front off to leave the logo, wasn't hard at all. This is our logo, Heritage Ways, and you're watching this on the Heritage Homestead Journey, but if you're not following Heritage Ways, you might want to go over and follow Heritage Ways on YouTube and Instagram as well. Thank y'all for watching.